Okay, welcome to my update for week 2 here, back from spring break. So you can see I dressed up today, put on a polo. That's because my plan this week is to start meeting with my classes once a week just for a check-in. So for my former in-person classes, I've got those meetings scheduled. I sent out an invite to you. You can find that in your email, your student email. And then I'm just planning them for our regular class times. I know not everyone's going to be able to meet me those times. If you want to meet me and talk to me face to face, or at least through video, that's an option available to you. You just need to reach out and let me know. We can figure out a time. That goes for online students too. So anybody that wants to meet with me, certainly just get a hold of me. Otherwise, I'm going to start meeting with those in-person classes just like once a week. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm going to try that and collaborate this first time. If that goes well, great. If not, maybe we'll switch to Teams or try something else. But that's my plan right now. Um, this week and next week, we're starting to get into one of the trickier units, or a unit that some students find tricky. It's about number bases. And what really makes it tricky is when you see a number like 17, 7, you kind of have a feel for what that means, but you don't really think about the 1 in 17 being 110, and then 7 ones. And we need to be able to think about those that way in this unit, because when we switch up what those numbers mean, for example, 1, 7, and base 8, that 1 is how many eights there are, and then there's 7 ones. Watch the videos on it. Take your time, reach out with questions. I'm going to be re-recording some of those videos because I had really bad audio on one of them. But kind of a tricky unit coming up. Just be aware that I know it's a tricky unit. Um, and I'll have more details on like the test that goes with it coming up like next week or the week after that. Little bad news from my end. My mother-in-law had cancer, and that's come back in a different place, and so she's got the prognosis there isn't very good. So we're working through that, as well as all the other crazy things going on in the world and with being home and isolated. But that's about it for me for this week. So please, if you have questions, reach out. If you get stuck on homework, reach out. Otherwise, just keep plugging away at stuff, and I'll be monitoring your progress online. And I hope to see some of my former in class students in those meetings. Thanks.